Hi guys, hi ladies, and welcome to tutorial space with Ola. In this tutorial, we'll be dealing with the circular sketch pattern tool, which could be found under this drop down. Moving forward on modifying sketches, the circular sketch pattern is used to create an array of selected objects, and just as the tool is named, we expect the array to be produced in the form of a circle. You can go ahead to create your sketch in whichever shape and form, and also at the end of it, draw a point. Now before we begin to use the tool, if you haven't drawn a point yet, or you know nothing else about the point apart from the way I just created mine, I would like you to go ahead to check the playlist later on to look for a tutorial done on points, or click upon the icon shown on your screen just about now to navigate you directly to it. Alright, with all that said, I go on to click on the tool, and then we have this feature manager properties. Just like I said in the linear sketch pattern, these things are really simple to use. So firstly, take note that we have the parameters here, and then we have the entities pattern, and then the instances to skip. The parameters is where we decide on your pattern specification, while the entities to pattern is where you select the entities that should be patterned. And so to do this, I click on entities to pattern, select this contour, select this contour. As a default, the software automatically takes the origin to be your point of reference here, but this could be altered, and that was the reason why we created a point before. So I select on this, and I notice that the point I created earlier on is now the center of my pattern. Okay, so here we have 4 different patterns, and it can be seen because of this. So increasing this to 5, you notice that it increases. Reducing this again, notice that it reduces. You're also able to change the number of instances from this point to 6, and then it does that for you. At this point, you notice how we have dimensions here. I would prefer you do not touch this, because this is what is used to change the location of the center. So if I increase this, you notice that that goes forward. I bring this back, it comes backward. I increase this, it takes it up. Take this, takes it down. So it's advisable that rather than using this, you already dimension your points. And just like I said before, you find all of these in the tutorials covering points. So we have the option of equal spacing here, which makes the pattern to be equally spaced. And then we could change dimension radius, but we do not need any of that. And also, this is the radius of our circle. So if I increase this, you notice that this increases, as well as this. Reduce this, you notice that this also decreases. So this is the arc angle, which is the angle that this is being drawn at with respect to this. So if you take a look at this line is not directly straight, but it's kind of curved. But all this do not really matter, to be frank with you, as long as you dimensioned your circle, your points, you positioned it properly. All of this would not give you any stress. So lastly, we have the instances to skip. Clicking on this, you notice this pink dots showing here, and then you can check on them to select the instances you decide to skip. And how does the software know the instances to skip? Is simply because if you look at this, it shows 3, this shows 2, this shows 4. So they have index numbers that the software recognizes when you click on this, and so it automatically makes sure that those index numbers do not contain any pattern. Alright, so this is the end of this tool. It's pretty simple, and then you can also do this yourself. To receive more of these tutorials, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, also to drop your comments, questions, and like the video if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next tutorial, where we'll go on over to the move, copy, and rotate tools.